If you want to make a background for your videos or your tutorial videos, let's say that you record your the screen of your phone, and you want to make a background for it because it's gonna be like in portrait mode, but you want to make it landscape. This is the app for that. Let's open it. It's called InShot, and then this is what you'll see, and we're gonna tap on video, and I'm gonna use this video right here, and I'm just gonna tap right here, and it's gonna bring it to the main page. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the size. I mean, this is fine, but it's gonna be good for Instagram or Facebook. But if you want to make it for YouTube, you're gonna tap on canvas, and then you'll see Instagram, and then YouTube 16:9. You're gonna tap there, and as you can see, you're gonna get this blurry background. And the best thing is that it's gonna be like a moving background. It's not gonna be like a boring one, you know. So we're gonna tap right here, and then that's it. Like, as you can see, every time the main screen moves, the background also moves. And this is how you can make it. Like, if you make tutorials, you can add a background like in a very easy way, and it's gonna be fast. Because if you want to make like one of those backgrounds that I have in my past videos, you can make it, but it's gonna take time. Like, sometimes it takes me like 30 minutes to make one of those. And if you want to save time and effort, you can just use this app and make a blurry moving background for your videos, and it's gonna look good. I actually like it, like how it looks. And then once you're done with that, you're just gonna tap on the arrow right here on the top right side, tap there, and then save, and your video is gonna be saved and it's gonna be ready to go. So I'm actually gonna use that app to make the background of this tutorial. And right now, as I'm moving the icons, the apps, the background is also gonna be moving, and that looks very good. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.